Today we're tackling a common Windows 11 issue, the No Such Interface Supported error. If you've encountered this error message, don't worry, I'll walk you through some effective solution to get things back to normal. Let's get started. This error typically appears when there's an issue with the system's registry, corrupted files, or compatibility programs. We'll go through a few steps to resolve this. Follow along. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Right-click on the Start button, tap on Shutdown or Sign Out, and click on Restart. Next, now let's run the Windows Troubleshooter. Open Settings by pressing Windows plus I button. Go to System and then tap on Troubleshoot. Here, click on Other Troubleshooters. Now run the program Compatibility Troubleshooter and any other relevant troubleshooters to diagnose and fix this issue. Next step is to check for Windows Update. On the settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if required. Now let's perform a system file check. Open command prompt by typing in cmd in the search bar. Here type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press enter. The Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool will scan and repair any issues with the Windows image. Always make sure to back up important data before making significant changes. If the error persists, consider seeking help from professional support or the application's support. And there you have it. These steps should help you resolve the No Such Interface Supported error on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.